Hey, whenever you record, your GoPros don't have smell vision, right? Because I know I stink like really bad. So I don't want people to know that how bad I smell. I'm trying to keep a reputation.
I was out a couple days, had to go back into town and get a few more jobs started, and the guys have been steadily working on this project. We'll come over here and I'll show you where they're at. They got the conveyor starting to raise up, and we're coming around here to the backside to get the tail section up. So we're moving right along. Had a little rain delay, had a lot of lightning and rain yesterday, so that's kind of put us a little bit behind, but we're trying to make up for it. Let's go over here and I'll show you where they're at. If you remember, we took this head section off that was coming over here and sat it on the ground before we put the screen in place, and we were building these little supports up here. So they got the head section set back into place, and we've raised everything up. It was at 13 degrees, everything's going to be at 8 degrees. So right now, coming right along, and we got the back section out of there. We're making one last support so we can start flying that into place. So earlier in the video you saw that tail section was down here and it was coming up from the bottom, heading up that way. It was super low, it's way down here, and you can see we added this bit support. So now it's going to be coming up high and it'll be sitting up on top of this. Right now they struggle a lot. All the water goes down there and floods. They don't use this hopper anymore. So that's where we're at. I'm going to put one more bent support here. So let's get rolling. Got the last piece of the puzzle hooked up to the crane, the tail section of this conveyor. Conveyor we're raising up, it comes up here. Got the last piece in there. We'll get that piece in there secured. We're gonna get rid of this crane, get them off the payroll, and then we can continue on and finish up all our little knickknacks. Here we go. The last piece of the puzzle in, we got the tail section in, so the whole conveyor is lifted up where it needs to be. I'll head up there, kind of go over the end results of the job, and we'll move on and doing some other stuff. So at the beginning of the video, you saw us pulling the conveyor out from underneath there. And now it's up on top. Comes all the way across. Went from 13 degrees all the way to 8 degrees now. And it went up to the very top up there where I'm heading, where we put the new screen. Raised all that up. Moved the chute, got it all level. And then the company guys, they're going to, they got a piece of chute already made that's going to drop inside there, and they'll weld it, which will feed the new screen that we put in. You see over here on this side, like the brand new screen. We're missing a couple little decks that go inside there. Get those put in, and then that will all be done and complete. So we've got a few more knickknacks and stuff that need to be done. So that's it for this job. Pulled out an old screen, an old belly pan, raised the conveyor from 13 degrees up to 8, got everything in line. We're gonna do all the little knickknacks right now, kind of tie in some handrails that are missing, some stuff that's a little bit off. You know, when you cut old stuff and move it around, retrofit it, you know, there's gonna be little things here and there. We're also going to pull the conveyor belt. That's what the guys are getting ready for right now. We're going to pull the belt, get it strung on here, and we'll get it spliced. And for some reason, one of our videos, it ended up hitting, it's over 20,000 views, and it's the video where we pull the conveyor belt on. And I appreciate y'all watching it, and I've had a few questions on that video, so I'm gonna try to answer some of those, get a couple little clips in there and kind of answer a few of those questions on how we pull it around. And then hopefully we'll see how everything works out, try to get a little bit showing how they splice the belt and everything. So I'll do that on the next video. So, well, that's it. We're not gonna drag up, we're gonna roll on up out of here, finish some of this stuff up, move on to the next job. Thanks for watching. Peace.